Today's post notification shout out goes out to Life with your girl Ashley and TAJAY Youngblood. Make sure y'all go check out their channel and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. Let them know that they keep sent you. Also, I want y'all to go over win_sim_ on Instagram and follow for nice seasoning. Yeah, y'all won't see what I'm talking about. Just click the links in the description. Not take no time. Thanks, guys. What's up, it's your girl Jackie Boo and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to do the nosy prank on my aunt. I will be doing the nosy prank on my aunt to see if she fast. If she know, who knows if she know already. She know fasting on people basically. So I guess this is gonna be a great prank. Guys, stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop a post and be the first to comment and get a shout out. Let's see if this prank ever come out good. Y'all gotta get me to 50k because honestly this my phone it gone. Look, you see what I use to record? Phone. Never hide it. And the place I got dark. I'm gonna see what I can do. And that's what I hide. So if this be a epic, not failure, I'm gonna say like if this epic and this prank for true, spam the comment section 50k. At that desktop we are going to reach. Nobody watch my hairstyle, you know. I yard with it. Not no way. Nobody watch me hairstyle. I chat too much still, so let me just shut up and let's do it. Huh? What is it? Oh, them call me today now. Yeah. I had to go over the model. Four of them. Not four. What? Alright. What do you mean? What? Oh, Jesus. September. September. Get that? Yeah. Well, let me think. Let me just. Four. Yeah, do you see that shit?
I said Sunday. Not
Sunday? Yes, okay, I'm in that time.
the one where I annoy the hell out of. Tell people the truth.
Don't listen to right here. So, actually, people did that agree to put more Lord Jesus. How many did they?
You daddy.
Seriously? How many did that? Yeah, the short one that we're normally alive still. Everybody got to go. Everybody got to go.
Hello, shaka man.
We can lay up to them and
We're gone tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bekisha.
It's serious.
Bekisha.
You see when them something I'm gonna let them something here. Murder them dead naturally than to die by them something here. Seriously? No. I can't believe this. So your family them not go sue or something? Eh? She not a family. No, but the lady when normally come with her Ushi. Right, Dada? Seriously?
Don't put that.
No. Yeah, I can't do one to do that now still.
I said I'm not going to do this tonight.
A long time ago, you were do. I'm going to call you, you know. So the baby. You know what you know. 2 months. And I eat. That's what fitness there. Fitness that eat from 2 months.
Put it in a mum and a dresser.
2 months na breast milk kasi keep fitness. I love our fitness too. But what's the one too? Yeah. One. Yes.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, let's smoke my eyes to say. When my prank video,
You're right.
remember the prank video we make with her? And she said, should we keep it? Hey! Yeah.
I want to, you know, my mother did sit down with my crew. You need to go find your mother. And that's why I sit down with her now.
Yeah, but yeah, the video we made the last time, you know, she had that one in my mind. No, I'm not pregnant. Seriously?
Don't hold my breast.
She really thinks I'm really pregnant. No,
You know
this
what?
serious.
I can't go in at that work. Yes, sorry, then no.
This serious. I can't believe. I'm also pregnant. In which house?
Tell her again. This is the house of success and baby later.
No. It's serious. It's serious.
Hey, you're the house name, success and baby later.
It's serious, bad.
your friend like she, did I say they will wear 2021 bank account wear?
No. Why would I breathe now?
The last say bank account wear.
No.
Not even clothes, baby clothes, not even wear right now.
Yeah, my auntie said baby clothes not even wear.
If you buy one suit clothes tomorrow, you have to buy another one. So clothes not wear. Bank account and house and car. And them something that wear.
No, me and him left long time. Come on, a boyfriend. What am I doing, man? Oh, you not like the video yet, man. Like up the video, man. Like it. Me get too old for this.
You know what? Make a door, me a doing a this. Next back here, I know.
But too old, yes. I know the ring.
That sound like a throat.
No.
That sound like a throat, she a throat.
You have man? Oh, well, they just have picked me up. So, you always your boyfriend? Or soon to be husband? Good?
I'm better she a give husband treatment. I hope a styrofoam plate and file paper might eat.
Yeah. That is lovely. That is so lovely for you. That is lovely. Wow.
Like I say, if you don't wear the plate treatment, styrofoam, still them out.
If by your one ring. What kind of ring? What kind of ring?
Better out that popcorn shop.
No. More see. Send me a picture.
The picture.
Send me a picture.
You can be a hula hoop she get to, you know.
Engage. Which part are you engage? Copy
All
dice.
them people that want to engage, you know what?
Copy dice, boy, engage. You know one name engage?
The teacher tell them
Spell engage. Spell engage.
Fasting, in a woman conversation.
Spell engage.
In a woman conversation, like a mission chat.
Yeah, my auntie in her background, she enough. Jesus Christ. I mean, I talk to you and she have enough up in her something.
Which is right.
You want one more pic? You know what? You come like you, Madina. You lick your head. You really lick your head. Right now, I'm not even want one. Anyways, later. Yeah, have a good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. You're too enough. Me never talk to nobody. Enough. I play me. Me I see you enough. You'll be. You're enough. You're enough. No. Julian. Why enough, sir?
No, I know.
Eh?
Check the paper.
No, the girl enough. Comment below, guys. It's a nosy prank. It's nosy to see how nosy you are.
Me?
You're nosy.
You know nosy bad.
Sorry about the darkness, guys, but God knows she enough. She
if you don't want any conversation, you don't come into my room.
No, she knows.
Bright, you bright.
Everything we say since we start talking about boyfriend and baby and engagement ring, she have to say something.
Yes,
guys, it's a banger. So get me to 50K. But I give you the one want, don't talk truth, even though the place
no, you see who you're going
to get me to 50K.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the 50K with a big coconut.
Yes.
Provoke my soul to anger.
Yes, it's too enough. I can't chat not around you.
Which is right. Especially people business. I know my recognize. And tell us that people business should never be your business.
But copy na. Okay, so we're gonna do the video tomorrow, is that right?
Sunday monkey.
Sunday
monkey.